Biggest gun shows in southern Arizona is here in Tucson, and in the wake of the attack in San Bernardino, sales are up at many Tucson gun stores. The Tucson Expo Gun Show started today. Exhibitors from across the country will be displaying thousands of firearms and collectible items. In addition to the surge in sales as a response to recent terror attacks, a local gun owner says the fear of harsh gun control laws is also causing many consumers to buy what they can before it's too late.
We've got a lot of fear in this country. You've got a lot of crime, and when you couple that with the government wanting to take away the guns or at least regulate them to a serious point, it's going to keep the gun sales strong.
The gun show runs from 9 until 3 on Sunday at the Tucson Expo Center.